Morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Karanis Tugu Putri as the first speaker of the affirmative team. The motion of this debate is media social does more harm than good, which consists of two affirmative or opposition speakers and two negative or proposition speakers. First, I will give you an example of the influence of social media on society. When going to public place, I rarely see people communicating with the surrounding environment. For example, when waiting in line at the service counter, each one busy with their own smartphone regardless of the people around them. Even many people we see, including our colleagues, whose work not finished and even ignored because they are busy commenting or providing comments via their social media, which is not really useful for them. Everyone knows that in the current era of globalization, there are so many social media emerging. It is undeniable that almost everyone, from teenagers, children, to the elderly, is sure to know the names of Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and many others. For social media users, they should be selective, lest, of course, social media can plunge us into negative things. If asked the reason why social media is so bad for users, because if they are too engrossed and comfortable in this position, one of the weaknesses of playing social media is that social media users will be lazy to do their activities. When they want to move their body will feel stiff or even joints can sound. Eyes that are too often staring at laptop, tablet, or smartphone screens that contain blue light can reduce the health of their eyes. Playing social media too often has negative effects on one's physical and mental health. Studies from the International Journal of Environment Research and Public Health reveal that prolonged smartphone use can increase a person's risk of developing insomnia. The researchers also look at social media-induced anxiety, characterized by feeling of restlessness and worry, and difficulty sleeping and concentrating. A study published in the Journal of Computers and Human Behavior found that people who use 7 or more types of social media suffer 3 or more symptoms of anxiety than those who use only 0 until 2 social media. Director General of Resource for Post and Information Technology Equipment, Ministry Kominfo states that the number of internet users in Indonesia controls Asia by 22%, as many as 55 million people from a population of 245 million Indonesia. Social media addiction in all circles today is a thing it couldn't be helped anymore. Almost everyday users only access social media for just looking for information on Instagram or Facebook. The survey results are conducted by APPGI in 2016. Internet users visited the web the most frequently online stores of 82.2 million or less 62%. Most social media content visited was Facebook with 71.6 million users or 54, and second place is Instagram with 19.9 million users or 15%. So, ladies and gentlemen, as the first affirmative speakers, I agreed with the motion. In conclusion, I agree that social media does more harm than good because there are so many negative impacts that occur when playing social media excessively. Especially, we cannot control social media users in their use. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Denade Sikarindiana Kapaksi as the first speakers of Negative Team. The topic for our debate is media social does more harm than good. We disagree with the definition and arguments which have been delivered by the first affirmative speakers. However, as the opposition team, we believe that the motion of today's debate is wrong. The first speakers of the affirmative team has tried to tell that people are rarely communicate to each other in public place while queuing at the service counter. I don't see any negative influence from this event since they don't know each other, so there are no reasons to interact. Besides, it might found inappropriate and dangerous to randomly talk to strangers. According to the case happened in Banjarmasin a few months ago, a female proprietor made tens of millions from the gold bracelet that was taken after hypnotizing a victim. It made a clear advice from ND and Directorate of General Criminal Investigation, who said that when strangers come with an unclear purpose, we should don't accept it. Also, as response to the affirmative team statement, who said that social media users will be lazy to the active is also wrong. People's behave beside on their personality and their ambitious to achieve their life of goals. We can call the laziness and incongruence in caused by the social media since no smartphone has already provided screen time feature which will remind the users to stop playing social media when it has reached its limits. People also can reduce and brightness of the device so it won't harmful to the health of the age. Now I will be discussing the point of my team which will open your thought and believe that social media is a great and useful innovation. My first point is social media as is communication line. People from any country can easily interact to each other without putting so much effort to meet in real life. Not only for them of social life, this benefit can also be used by those who want to expand awareness of their business. They can easily promote their product online and makes people have desire to buy it. The convenience provided social media also can be used to who want to build their personal branding. A good personal branding seen on social media will increase their celebrity and broaden their connections which beneficial and future work opportunity. Second point, the use social media simplifies the spread of culture. The fact that there is no nation border and using social media can be used for nations to show its existence around the world. More people know our nation, more respects our nation will gain. Therefore, our local culture will be preserved. The good information about our nation can also affect to the development of countries since foreign invest will come. So, ladies and gentlemen, to conclude, I disagree with the motion since there are a lot of positive impact can be by using social media, and the arguments said by affirmative team are invalid. If I agree with you, we will both be wrong. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Pratiwi Firza Afifah. I'm the second speaker from the Positive Affirmative team. The topic of our debate was social media does more harm than good. We don't agree with the arguments present by the first affirmative speaker from the negative team. The team say that they did not see any negative effect when queuing at the service counter because it does not matter if someone only plays on their cell phones with without interacting even though they don't know. However, it will affect someone social. People must interact with each other even though they don't know. And don't be apathic, just playing on their cell phones. What if there is an incident that makes you have to interact? Are you going to play cell phones and be blind by the surroundings? Of course, that's not a good thing. Nothing to do with hypnosis and interact with other people. Hypnosis occurs because of the person's carelessness, is not careful, and is easy to be influenced by others. In the second discussions, the team say that playing cell phones would not make someone lazy to do activities, and cell phones had provided a screen time feature that reminding users to stop. Do you think people will care about the future? The answer is no, because when someone is cool playing on their cell phones, they will find it difficult to stop. According to Andari in the 2014 in Mutahro, social media makes someone lazy to communicate in the real world because it feels more fun to communicate with friends in the online. In addition, the time that should be used for learning will be wasted with useless activity. Students are one person who tends to experience problematic social media more easily because students struggle with their gadgets more often, so the more likely they are to experience addiction. Based on the result of observation by the research on 2016, it was found that 5 students on the front porch of the class during recess, they were busy playing their cell phones without paying attention to each other, even when there was information and instruction from students together in the field. The student did not doing it. After trying to approach him, they are engrossed in social media. Some are chatting, online games, reading status, and on their social media. There are lots of people worries about social media, especially parents who worry about their children playing on the cell phones. There are so many bad things on the cell phones. Even if the kids only watch YouTube, there are videos that are not good. There are indeed YouTube Kids, but not all video on YouTube Kids teach good things. I have seen my cousin watch a video on YouTube Kids with the title "How to Skip School," even though the video provide YouTube Kids, which they say is a safe application for children, but the video that is shown actually affects children to be lazy. So in conclusion, I don't agree with this motion because social media is a bad influence on someone's life, especially for children. I agree that social media does more harm than good because social media has so many negative impacts. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Salma Rashida Sukma as a second negative speaker. The motion that we're debating is social media does more harm than good. Social media is a media to socialize with each other without being limited, and now social media has become a basic necessity for everyone. There are many kinds of social media networks used by the public. The use of social media is to support the daily needs, for example, in the scope of work, social, and even family. While the affirmative speakers agree social media does more harm than good, my position is no. I'm totally disagree with the statement. Second affirmative state that social media will affect the relationship into a person. That person must interact although not recognized and being apathic only by paying attention on the phone. And I really do not agree with that statement because basically it all depends on personal perspectively, and this can be done by balancing between using social media and how to communicate in the real life. There are many people who play social media but still get along and communicate with anyone in the real life very good. Not a few, even those who are active in social media are also active in other activities. if we have a good attitude, I'm sure that we can appreciate anyone without always looking towards on the mobile phone to access social media. So in this case, social media cannot be 100% would be blamed as a negative effect. For those people who are active on social media and they uploaded a content every day, but they has a very good skills. And for example, Arif Muhammad, his Insta story always full 24/7, but he can manage his time and can communicate and interacting with another person very well. Another example, Karin Novilda, as known as Al Karin, she can utilize social media so good. With her followers that almost 7 million, she can make the use of social media to promote her business. And also she can influence another people to do a great things. And people also made amazed with her speaking skills. From the example, we can conclude that we can do anything in social media. It depends what we want, but it can be positive as long as we have a good personal respectively. And this can be done by balancing between using social media and how to communicate in real life. We will be like those who are in the example when we have a good awareness and good attitude. In fact, the things like opening social media and scrolling, seeing a lot of uneducated video on the internet and worrying about impacting the children's mind is nothing to be afraid, because dangerous sites are no longer accessible and there are many sites and applications that already give the limit for the user age. The parents and teachers should be supervised and assist their children in their digital activities and involve. One simple way, for example, parents can be a friend on a social networking account of children, as this is where children and teenagers play in the virtual world. Here, parents can join and communicate intensively with the children and create a safe and positive environment for the growth and development of their children in the cyber world. In the use of social media for children, as a parents, we also can limit the time of the use of timer in mobile phones to access social media. These features are to limit the time of the use of mobile phones. When the time's up, it means they are, as a children, are required to end activities on social media. As a parents or caregivers of the children, we must not lose the strategies with the children and must keep the child obey the rules that we have made. Actually, social media has many advantages and positive things over being harmful, from several examples. Among them are currently many people who are famous for showing their talents and ability through social media, and it will be easy for us and make it easy to shop, such as selling goods of daily needs in social media, like an online shop, to get know more people and to expand relationships. Furthermore, as the media information storage, this is easily spread through social networking sites. Within a few minutes after the incident, we have been able to searching about the information and enjoy about the news. Social media also can make people who have distant relatives easier to communicate. This can be done through virtual media such as video call. From the study titled Digital Citizenship, Safety Among Children and Adolescents in Indonesia was organized by the research agency HR Ministry of Communication 8 Basuki Yusuf Iskandar, found that 79.5% of children and teens are internet users. Children and teens have three main motivations to access the internet: for information, to connect with old or new friends, and for entertainment. Church-conducted information often driven by school assignment, while the use of social media and entertain the content and driven by personal needs. So social media really has a lot of positive things and benefits to teenagers, even for adults too. Vice Chairman of Indonesian Broadcasting Commission or KPI Mulyo Hadi Purnomo argues social media can have a positive than a negative impact for the users. Social media is considered to support the development of talent, character, and business. It must be admitted the existence of social media, such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and so on, is a very beneficial for talent development, character development, and business opportunity development. From the statement and data that I said before, it can be a reason why I totally disagree with the motion social media does more harms than good. because social media is having a lot of benefit and are not as harmful as many people think. Social media is considered to support the development of talent, character, and business. For the children, these dangerous things do not to be worried again because some applications already restrict the age of the user. So if users do not meet the age, they can be restricted. And once again, social media is not one of the things that always blame for the change of someone's attitude.